Dear viewers, whenever stock market corrects, we receive a lot of queries. Investors mention that they lost this much amount, they invested on this stocks and lost money and all. See, let me tell you that without sufficient knowledge, without sufficient expertise and without enough research, if you invest in shares just someone else is saying this or somewhere or something, then there's a high chances of losing money. In this video, I am going to share you a method wherein irrespective of anything, you can earn consistently from the stock market even without enough knowledge, even without enough research, even without paying any single rupees to anyone. You don't have to pay any subscription money to me, you don't have to pay any brokerage, any commission to me, nothing, but completely free of cost. Without enough knowledge, you can still earn at least more than double fixed deposit, more than double than the current fixed deposit rate from the stock market itself. I'll share you the proof, I'll share you the detailed method, and I'll also show you live how you can actually invest. So if you watch the video till end without skipping any part, then I'm sure you will learn a lot of things absolutely free of cost. I'm Prasenjit, author of the best-selling book How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market, which is still the highest rated book in Amazon India, written by any Indian author on the stock market. And I am actively investing in the stock market since 2010 and achieved financial freedom from here. First, let me tell you that you might have already noticed a lot of screenshots, a lot of things showing that some traders are earning 1 lakh rupees every week or maybe 10 lakhs in a month, etc, etc. Many of those screenshots are fake, many are edited, you know that very well. So if you believe that earning money from the stock market is that much easy, it's completely wrong. Nowadays there are a lot of YouTube channels, lot of YouTube videos there. I have noticed there are many persons who didn't earn enough from the stock market, still they are doing YouTube videos and all. Now let's accept the truth. It is not that much easy to earn money from the stock market. Not only from the stock market, anywhere. If you can consider any profession in the world, you will find earning money is not that much easy. Even a doctor or an engineer spends multiple years in studies and then practicals and all, and then he can earn from that profession. Similarly with the share market as well. You need to learn, you need to dedicate time, you must gather experience, and then only you can earn enough from this market. However, in this video I'll share, like, if a person's normally are new investors, beginners may not have that much time to research the market or may not have that much resources, still how you can make sure at least double than the fixed deposit return from this market, that I'll share with you in this video. For proof, I have already discussed that instrument Nifty50 ETF back in January 21 video and also in July 21 video. I'll quickly first show you if someone, so back on those videos I have shared that if any person without any knowledge, without any kind of effort, if any investor invest in Nifty50 ETF every month for 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 3 years, then he can't have overall loss in his portfolio. Have a look at this screen. If you had invested only 1,000 rupees every month beginning from January 21 to till November 21, then the return is absolute profit 15.76% as per this screenshot, and the internal rate of return is much higher, 40% kind of. Now let's increase the time period. If someone invested, if someone do SIP for the 24 months, 2 years in Nifty50 ETF, then the absolute profit comes at 43.39%, near about 44%. If you look the 3 years period, then the return 49%, for 5-year period 64%. These returns you can also verify. You can simply check the return that Nifty50 generated over the last 1 month, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year or so on. Yes, it might possible, like if you had invested in Nifty50 ETF in the last month, today that might fall and that position might be in loss. But if you keep investing in month after month, just like you do mutual fund SIP, but here in Nifty50 ETF you can simply purchase as an stock from your existing trading or demat account. Then over a longer duration, it ensures that you can earn at least double than the fixed deposit return. What is this Nifty50 ETF? Okay, so in short, you are investing in Nifty50 ETF. It means you are indirectly investing top 50 companies in India. Now you can individually invest in 50 companies. Those are the part of Nifty50. But the problem is you might require 50-60 thousands of rupees, because there are many stocks within Nifty50. Those single shares cost 3,000, 4,000. Kind of. So for a small investors who are investing 500 rupees, 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees every month, for them it's very difficult to invest in all the 50 stocks, and then it's also a very time consuming process. So this is why Nifty50 ETF is an instrument wherein, say for example, like HDFC Nifty50 ETF, SBI Nifty50 ETF. So these Nifty50 ETFs cost around 180, 190 or 200 kind of this range. So with only 180 or 190, you are indirectly taking the exposure of all the top 50 companies in India. Whenever market corrects, it normally we find that a particular segment, a particular sector corrects the most. So over a longer run, it can never happen that the top 50 companies of India crash simultaneously. So this is why if you have a longer term horizon, 1 year, 2 year, and keep investing in the top 50 companies. So top 50 companies means you are indirectly investing in India. So unless and until something bad happens with the overall country, maybe some or some kind of natural calamities, earthquake or something else, until and unless that happens, so over a longer run, this India Nifty50 ETF will always offer much better return than fixed deposit or similar such instrument. There is also a dedicated video about Nifty50 ETF or exchange traded fund, what is it and all. The link of the video you'll find in the description box. So after watching this video, you can also watch that video as well. One can also invest in Nifty50 index fund like mutual fund as well. But in ETF, the benefit is ETF is more cost effective, and from the same trading and demat account where you invest in other shares, you can simply invest in Nifty50 ETF. But the problem is, what I have heard from the investors, that many investors forget investing. Say for example, you invested first of this month, but after 1 month you might forget or you might miss that date. So these things happen. So this is why in this video I am going to share you a platform, a way wherein you can simply easily keep and make an habit of investing every month of a basket of Nifty50 ETF. So it's similar, like it's a great alternate of kind of mutual fund wherein you can simply invest each and every month in a Nifty50 ETF or any basket of stocks. Well, the platform is Smallcase. Now, if you ask multiple times, I have received multiple queries from investors like whether Smallcase is good or bad. See, Smallcase is just a platform. So we can't say Smallcase or the Smallcase itself is good or bad. It's same like Amazon or Flipkart. Amazon is a platform where many sellers are selling their products. So you might today purchase a product from Amazon at much cheap rate and you get a great quality product because of that particular seller. After 1 month, or you might have purchased some other product, but that the quality is very bad. So that's the fault of that particular seller, not entirely Amazon. So similarly, in the Smallcase, many portfolio managers, many investment advisors created their own curated portfolio, and you can invest on those. But here I am not talking about those portfolio. I will share how you can yourself create a choice of stocks, a choice of basket, like a Smallcase, your own Smallcase, and you can create this Smallcase and invest month after month to build a better investment habit. So now I'll move to the screen wherein I'll show you like how easily you can create a Nifty basket of Nifty50 ETF through Smallcase, invest month after month and ensure more than double the fixed deposit return over a longer run, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, irrespective of any external situation. So how you can invest? Simply you need to click on the link given in the description box. Once you click on the link, this Smallcase page will open. So as I have mentioned earlier, that Smallcase is a platform where many investment managers create their Smallcase or their equity portfolio. Now you don't need to focus on all this Smallcase. You will create your own Smallcase. So all you need to do first is the login. So once you click on the login, you can log in with your broker. So this brokerage platform are available. If you don't have account in any of this brokerage platform, there is a link in the description box in this video, using which you can open free account with Angel One or maybe with Zerodha or Upstocks as well. So now I have my account with Zerodha. So I have clicked the Zerodha, and now here I will put my user ID and password. So here is my user ID and password, then 0 the will ask for PIN. After login, so this page will open where I have get an option to create small case. So now I need to click on the create small case. So once I click on the create, so here I will add stocks. So once I add stocks, now let's type the name HDFC Nifty 50 ETF. So here is HDFC Nifty 50 ETF, and then I'll also add SBI Nifty 50 ETF. Nifty 50 ETF, SBI Nifty 50, here it is. So now we have SBI Nifty 50 ETF, HDFC Nifty 50 ETF, 50-50 equal weightage. Now I'll click on the invest now. So once I click on the invest now, I need to first name the, so I have named it ETF investment Nifty 50 ETF. So you can put any name. After I have mentioned the name, now this window will open. Here I have an option to invest via monthly SIP or to invest one time. So both options are there. If I click the monthly SIP, then you'll find that the minimum investment is 365 or and in the multiple of that. So say for example, I'm planning to invest 1000 rupees per month. So once I put 1000 and then I confirm amount, so this amount will come 1098. So 1098, why? Because this is the multiple of this fund. So 1098, and here is the quantity that you will purchase. With this 1097, you will purchase 3 quantity of HDFC Nifty 50 ETF, 3 quantity of SBI Nifty 50 ETF. So once you confirm the amount and add fund, after that you can start monthly SIP, and here you will find there's a next installment will be due on January 9 2022, and you can edit anytime. So later on you can edit, like I'll pay every installment on 1st January or maybe 5th of January or 5th of every month, like this. So the process is very simple. If you have any queries, kindly share in the comment section. If you learned something new from this video, kindly like this video and share with your friends and family. And if you want to receive similar insightful video on the coming days, make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. So unless you on the all notifications, select the all notification options, you won't receive my upcoming videos. So that's it. As on today, I'll come with another insightful video on some other day. Till then, happy investing.